Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet Tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make a crochet ponytail. I am going to use a 3.5mm crochet hook, as you can see. There is a pony. First I am going to make a knot by hand. I make a one loop and make just a single crochet. Again, make one loop and make just a single crochet. I'm going to fill that part with the 4 single crochet. 2 I had already made. This one is third. And this one is fourth, the last. Again, next part contains 4 single crochet. 1, yarn over, 2, again 3, and last one 4. So as you can see, I'm moving toward the next part. Again 1, 2, 3, and the last one 4. The same pattern is repeated in the whole pony. As you can see, I have completed the whole loop, and now I am going to end that loop by making just a slip stitch. So as you can see, now I am going to connect the end of the yarn. Making chain 1 and 2 chain. Now I am going to make a double crochet. Into 1, again 2 into 1, again yarn over, again make 1 more double crochet. Again in the next stitch I am going to make 2 double crochet. One stitch contains 2 double crochet, 1 double, and again 1 more. Every stitch in this ponytail may contain 2 double crochet. As you can see, I have completed all the loop by making one stitch contain 2 double crochet, as you can see. Now I am going to terminate that end by making just a slip stitch. As you can see, this is the simplest form of making a crochet ponytail. If you have any question related that ponytail at any point, you may ask easily in the comment section. Hope this will be helpful for you. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.